Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade Edition. This one is going to be a 4x4 model. And the Nightshade is an option package basically on top of the limited trim. It takes all of the chrome accents and it blacks them out with the blacked out front chrome grills as well as badges, mirror caps, window surrounds, and wheels. Go ahead and insert some professional pictures from Toyota in right now. But it is a very attractive color on this magnetic gray metallic exterior, and it is available in 3 different colors. But coming to our window sticker, as far as options go, we do have the 3rd row, as well as the clear protection hood and door package, as well as phone charger for a total of $49,641. Sorry if that window sticker was a little difficult to see. But gas mileage is going to be 17 city, 20 out on the highway, with this being a 4x4 model. And down here on your wheels, these are going to be the same design, 20-inch alloys, just a blacked out finish. And as you can see, those blacked out rocker panels as well. Coming around back, the blacked out chrome, as well as logos and badges. But going ahead, stepping in, you do have your blacked out door handle, smart key access, of course, and then coming in, you do have the fully perforated, heated and vented leather seats. Just put your foot on the brake and press your button to start. This one does have 2 miles on it, so we'll check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, this is just the tried and true 4-liter dual overhead cam V6 with independent dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing the 270 horsepower and 278 foot-pounds of torque, all through a full-time four-wheel drive system and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Now, Nightshade is available in 4x2 and 4x4 models, and basically can be optioned up as a limited trim. Well, let's go ahead and check out that interior. And stepping back in, we do have that black leather interior on this model. It's going to be fully perforated for the heated and vented seats, as we said. And the only real difference with the Nightshade interior is going to be the blacked out trim throughout instead of the wood trim that's shown in the limited trims. But over here in your door panel, nice padded stitched leather in your armrest, 2-person memory, all automatic windows with power locks, and your door storage down below. Over here to the left of your steering wheel, you also do have your power mirrors, parking sensors, AC outlet, and windshield wiper de-icer with panel dim. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with your audio controls, Bluetooth, and voice commands over here on the right. Cruise control on a separate stalk. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, blinkers, and then over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Now checking out your dash, right over here, as you can see, you do have your apps. We'll check out our navigation system. It's going to be a full-fledged head unit with HD traffic. And as far as destination input goes, it can be an address, a point of interest, or 6 different presets down below there. Checking out your audio system, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs in terms of sources. And then you also do have your traffic, weather data, your Bluetooth phone, and stuff like that. Below that, dual zone auto climate control with your driver and front passenger temperature, fan speed, and zones. And all of that can be manually controlled or just press automatic and leave it. Below that, you do have your tri-stage heated and vented front seats, audio inputs, and a 12-volt. There's going to be that 4-wheel drive controller, cup holders and storage, and then this is going to be that 5-speed automatic transmission with sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera up there on the audio screen, and you do have your power sliding rear glass right here. Coming back down here, we do have our armrest padded and stitched with the 12-volt in there. Glove box stamped with the owner's manuals and phone charger. Up top, auto dim mirror. And then you also do have your garage home link, as well as off-road controls, SOS Safety Connect, storage, and your power sliding sunroof up top. As far as your visor goes, you do have the mirror and vanity light with a nice little extension. And so that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Going back here, we do have that same black leather interior with full perforations. As you can see, dual seat mat pockets and all your door panel materials do follow through with your padded and stitched leather, automatic window, and door storage down below. Front seat's set by my 5'9" frame and plenty of room. Dual seat mat pockets with your rear AC vents, a 12-volt, and 2 charging USBs. Over here to my right, nice padded armrest with stitching and cup holders. And then up top, dome lights, damped cornering handles with coat hooks, and a nice view of the dash right there. So let's quickly check out that third row, and then we can wrap up our video. Over here on the passenger side, the seat does slide forward since it is the 40 portion, giving you nice access into your 50-50 split folding third row. 3-point seat belts back there with plenty of room. And this rear seat does slide forward to give the third row passengers a little bit of extra room. So let's check out that cargo area, and then we can wrap up our video. Coming around back on the 4Runner, we do have the smart key equipped model, so just pressing and holding either of these buttons will lower or raise up the glass in the respective direction or unlock the doors. And then opening up your hatch, behind your third row seats, minimal room, but you have passenger seating for 7. With them folded down, it does expand cargo room vastly, and then you can fold down the second row even more so for even more room. Can be folded in a 40-20-40 fashion, so you can actually fold down that split portion right there for skis if you would like to do that. 2 power outlets over there with your JBL subwoofer with storage for the third row passengers. Spare tire is located underneath the vehicle. And closing up our 4Runner, that about wraps it up for the 2019 4Runner Nightshade Edition. Now, if you guys are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.